What's up guys, this is MDP Tech and today I'm gonna unbox the Christmas gift from my company Visma Lietuva, and let's take a look what's in there. Okay, we have this box with this wrapped in red, of course the Christmas colors, like my sweater. Okay, what is this? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, we are nearly 10,000 employees with our own background, skills and experience, all unique, all working together. The blend is what makes Visma special. Thank you for your contribution in 2019. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks guys. Okay, oh my gosh, and this is, it looks like this is headphones? Bluetooth headphones, yes. Okay, the Nordic Design Music OSL headphones. Ultra comfortable Bluetooth headphones. Ergonomic design. Bluetooth headphones. Okay. How to get it? Okay. Let's take off the sticker. Bam. And oh, it slides out. Nice. Okay, ergonomic designed headphones for superior comfort. What's there? Okay, it's empty. Okay, ergonomic design headphones for superior comfort. And we got the headphones itself. Okay, they're looking quite good. It's metal. Nice, I like metal. Okay, this is auxiliary 3.5mm auxiliary input. This is the charger, the on button, I believe the volume down and volume up rockers, and this is the Nordic Design Music. Okay, maybe something is in there. The phone to the side. Oh yeah, of course, the charging cable. Just 3.5mm cable, charger, and what we have here, we have user manual, ultra comfortable Bluetooth headphones, Oslo. Okay guys, so that's it. That was the unboxing of our this year's Christmas gift. Thank you for being with me. Please like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.